Hello students, how are you all? Are you fine? Okay, then shall I start? Today we will see the new topic addition. See, A-D-D-R-T-I-O-N, addition, and this is the sign of addition we call as plus. What? Plus. Already we learned one digit addition in previous year, means in senior KG. Now today we will see the two digit addition. Two digit means see 23. This is the two digit 1, 2. Okay. We learned tens and ones also. When 10 things comes together, that time make a 1 10. Okay. And see, this is the tens column and this is the ones column. See, T means tens and O means ones. Okay. Then see here, you just read the number 2 tens and 3 ones means 23 plus 4 tens and 3 ones means 43. See here, addition means add. Okay, we will add. Suppose see, for example, I have one chalk and my friend give me 2 chalks. See, the friend give me 2 chalks. Then how many chalks? Count is 1, 2, 3. Understood? Addition means add. Okay. Now see, 2 tens and 3 ones means 23 plus 4 tens and 3 ones means 43. And students, you just always start from ones. See, always start from ones. This is the tens column and this is the ones column. So see, start from ones. See, 3 ones plus 3 ones. See, 3 ones plus 3 ones. 3 plus 3. You just count 3 fingers after 3. 4, 5, 6. Our answer is 6. You just write 6 under ones. Okay. Now see the tens column. 2 plus 4. See, 2 plus 4. See, you just count 4 fingers after 2. See, 4 fingers after 2. Okay, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. See, right under tens. Okay. See, the answer is 66. Again, you just read this sum. 23 plus 43 is equal to 66. Okay. Now, see the next example. See the tens column and ones column. 4 tens and 1 ones means 41. And see, plus 5 tens and 5 ones means 55. And always start from ones. Okay. Then see, 1 ones plus 5 ones is equal to, see, you just count 4 fingers after 1. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then our answer is 6. Right under 1. See, under 1s. Now, next, tens column. See, 4 tens plus 5 tens. 4 tens plus 5 tens is equal to, see, you just count 5 fingers. See, 5 fingers after 4. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, then 9 number you just write under tens. Okay, then our answer is 96. See, again you just read this sum. 41 plus 55 is equal to 96. Now see the next example. 8 tens and 0 ones. 8 tens and 0 ones means 80 plus 1 ten and 9 ones means 90. Students, you just keep in your mind, when we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. We get the same number. Okay? The answer is the number itself. Okay, see, when we add 0 to a number, okay, then 0 plus 9 9. See, you just always start from ones. 0 ones plus 9 ones. See, when we add 0 to a number, we get the same number as an answer. Okay? See, the same number 9. Okay? Understood? Now, then tens column. See, 8 tens plus 1 10 is equal to, you just count one finger after 8. 8 after 9. So our answer is 99. Again you read this sum. 80 plus 19 is equal to 99. See, is equal to 99. Now next, 5 tens and 6 ones means 56 plus 2 tens and 2 ones means 22. Now students, start from ones. First we solve the ones column. See, 6 ones plus 2 ones is equal to, see, you just count 2 fingers after 6. Only 2 fingers you just count after 6. 6 after 7, 8. Then you write 8 under ones. Okay? Now next, tens column. See, 5 tens plus 2 tens. See, 5 tens plus 2 tens is equal to. Again you just count 2 fingers after 5. After 5 you just count 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. Then write 7 under tens. Now our answer is 78. Again you just read this sum. 56 plus 22 is equal to 78. Okay students? One more example I will show you. See, 0 is here. See students, how to solve this when 0 will come, that time how to solve this sum, you just see here. 6 tens and 7 ones means 67 plus 2 tens and 0 ones means 20. Again you see, start from ones. Okay, start from ones. 7 ones plus 0 ones. See, when we add 0 to a number, see, when we add 0 to a number, we get the same number as the answer. Okay, see, 7 plus 0, 7 only. And 6 plus 2, you just count 2 fingers after 6. 6 after 7, 8. Then our answer is 87. See, 67 plus 20 is equal to 87. Okay students, understood? Now this 1, 2 and 3. This is your homework. And these 8 examples you just write in your maths notebook. First put heading, addition and sign, and then write these examples in your maths notebook. Already squares are there. You just draw this line and this line. Okay, use scale. Okay, bye.